MIGLIO5792. We design, we listen, we build for you.
MIGLIO5792. I want to be a leader of the wall. Creating high value furniture that truly understand people need. I want to share.
Grandma used to say every stick should carry warmth, not just strength. That belief never let us. In every MIGLIO workshop, generations of craftsmen still work with their hands, not because it's easy, but because it's right. From a small town in China to homes across the world, each sofa carries the same promise: comfort, honesty, and care. From her hands to your home, MIGLIO carrying Chinese craftsmanship to the world.